All right, testing. Okay, we got audio. Good. All right. So, I got two cameras going. Now, I actually started this video a while back ago, and then I got a phone call from my oxygen concentrator company, and that was an hour and a half. And now I'm not in the mood making baits. So, you guys are going to see me what I did do. Now, on Facebook, I bought a couple more molds. And this is a Do It mold. The company's called Do It. They make a really nice, heavy-duty mold. You still need to clamp it. But they give you a hanger so you can hang these molds. And that's really nice. I think they're the only company that does that. And they hinge them. And this is unusual because, again, I don't see this by any other company. Usually it's two pieces, and then you clamp them down or you tighten them down. Now, this right here is a what we call a Ned rig, or Ned jig. So this is what you can make with it. Whatever. So this is what you can make with this. And Neds are probably the most versatile. And if all else fails, you use a Ned when you're fishing. This is really nice. I cast 8 at a time, which is a whole package. So each casting is basically a package. Now, what I'm going to do with these, this is a great color, by the way. It's called green pumpkin? Yeah. It's green pumpkin. Now, I also made sort of a blonde version of it for me. So that's the sort of the blonde version of it. Big difference. These are mine. See if they work. If they work, great. Well, I'll make more for you guys. And then what I'm going to do, I'm making these packages. Oi. Making these packages right here. So you'll get a hard bait in here. It's a nice little topwater bait. Wonder why I took away all those. We'll put one more there. There we go. Looks prettier. So, and then we're going to put the Neds in here. We'll rearrange this so this can actually and we'll put a actual jig in here too. So this will be, it's still a bass box, but because Neds are very versatile, you can catch panfish with a Ned. I have, and yes, you can do it. And so we'll put a couple of these in here. Maybe not there. Here. Yeah. We'll put a couple of those up there. And we'll put a Ned jig here to use here. And then I'll make a spinner too. Again, spinners are probably the most, versatile. And we'll put a spinner in here with some hardware, some tackle, terminal tackle. And we'll put hooks on that, don't worry. But this will be a kit that you can purchase, over at Lake of the Woods. They'll run probably around $20 or less. Probably 15 with a small bait in it. This is a great topwater bait. Really good topwater. July and August, guaranteed. I can catch fish all day long with this thing. All day long. Well, at least all morning long. I could probably max out at about 30 or 40 fish on this in the morning in July and August at Lake of the Woods. So I don't want you, that's not an exaggeration, by the way. I know my channel is called Terrible at Fishing, but it's sort of a what do you call it, oxymoron, or the opposite of what it is. So also, I'll be going lingcod fishing. So I looked up what lingcod really like. Last time I went, they had jigs. Well, I'm not much of a fishing lingcod with jig. Typically I like live bait. So what they did suggest is to do a paddle tail, 5 to 7 inches. This is a 6-inch, and so I made them in the colors that they suggested. These are laminates, by the way. So, but these right here is what I'll be using for my lingcod next week. So, those will be really nice to be able to. And then if I catch them, then everybody on the boat's going to say, "What are you using? What are you using?" Or let's say, "Wow, you really are terrible at fishing." One of the two. I know. Also, I got all this stuff. It spilt. I hate you, mama. All right. It's just business cards. Let me get these. The box was upside down, and I picked it up. So the box emptied. All right. New business cards with my new logo. I'll show you in a sec. And there'll be stickers coming. So there's my new business card. Terrible at fishing. Got my information on it. What I do, lures, art, wood games. I'm an author, radio host. And my latest venture, lyricist. Got over 400 songs that you can find. Well, actually, I don't know if you can find all 400, but you can find quite a few of my songs on a lot of the streamings like Spotify, Deezer, Amazon Prime, things like that. You can find a lot of my songs online. You can download them, or just listen to them. Download them, I get money. That dollar supports my habits. I know. So this right here is sort of the color I've been shooting it with, which is that green pumpkin. And pretty much pure with flakes. So I put blue and green flakes in it, or red and green. Yeah, red and green flakes in it. I have lots of different flakes. All right. But that is pretty much what I've been doing, and being on the phone with customer service. I know, what a bother. Being on the phone with customer service. All right, where are we here? Video capture. All right, take that camera off. But yeah, I also have a Yamamoto Senko Do-It mold. This right here is the Yamamoto Senko one. So Senkos are these, basically a worm. Neds are half of it. That's how Neds were invented. Somebody cut their Senkos in half. But these are 5-inch, those are 2.5-inch, exactly half. And they work really well. So I've never owned a Do-It mold until now. I bought these from somebody else. These are used molds. But one thing about used molds, How are you going to screw that up? I mean, really? I think solid. Bam. So that's, I'll be casting some of those. And I do have some, got 2 more molds coming. So Lake of the Woods wants me to supply all their plastics. So that's why I ordered some molds in order for me to cast them. And so they can have a reasonable selection that works for them. I did get my skirting material in for my chatterbaits, my bladed jigs, but I haven't got the blade and the jig in yet. So as I continue to wait for those to arrive, then I'll make those and get those up to Lake of the Woods. And I only got enough for 2 dozen because, it's money. I got to buy it and then put it together, and it's money. So, but they'll have it. They'll have it. They sold out in days last time. So, might just be the #1 bait that they sell. Although, once I get my painted baits up there, those are going to be really neat. Let me show you these bigger ones. This one and this one and this one. So these are the bigger baits. Sit my butt down. So this one right here is sort of a color shift from a gold into a maroon. Real pretty. This one's for me. It's my favorite pattern. So this is my favorite pattern. And this right here is rainbow trout. Rainbow trout. You'll see that. And then this is what I call my zombie. My zombie bait. So, zombie bait. Do-dum. Zombies work really good. Something about the darkness of the bait. Plus, blue is not blue to a bass. More of a shimmering silver almost. So this bait looks totally different to a bass than it does you and me. It's really interesting, actually. The filter, they don't have blue cones in their eyes. They just don't. So this one right here, these are silver stripes to them. That's the way it is. Black and blue doesn't exist in trout's eyes. So blue, they don't have blue cones in their eyes. But, these are, we're going to do more and more and more with these. I was going to cast a few online, but that phone call wore me out. Hour and a half with customer service will wear you out. All right. I think that's it. That's quite a bit, actually. But yeah, new cards. New cards. Yippee! And I should have the stickers by the end of the week. And for the hard baits will have stickers with them. The soft baits won't. You can get those separately at Lake of the Woods if you buy 3 packages or more of soft baits. The soft bait's only $5 a pack. So you buy $15 worth, you get a sticker, I think, or something like that. We'll figure it out. But hard baits, you're going to pay $20 or $30 for a hard bait. So, for my baits that are $15 and higher for the packages, whether it be a kit or a single bait, you'll get a sticker with those. Everybody needs a terrible at fishing sticker. I love stickers. I got stickers all over the place. It's what you do, right? I think it's something from childhood. You guys take care, and you see my new logo / sting, although it's silent, but nonetheless, it's pretty cool looking.